not a game, it's a rich thing.
I generated the image using ChatGPT. I'm using the random size template. Now click on Create. Now click on File and Place Embedded. Select Image and click on Place. Select Pen tool and make selection of ice cream. Now right-click and click on Make Selection. Now click on Layer Mask. Now click on Adjustment Layer and Solid Color. Pick darker color.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Again click on Adjustment Layer and Solid Color. Pick lighter color. Click on Mask and press Ctrl+I to invert mask. Select Brush tool. Right-click and adjust the brush. Hardness 0%. Angle 90 degree. Brush size 800 pixels. Make sure foreground color is white. Now increase brush opacity around 50%. Click on the center. Right-click and adjust the brush. Decrease brush opacity around 20%. Increase brush size and click. Now adjust the brightness. Decrease opacity. Create new layer. Select Brush tool and follow the same process. Make sure brush angle is 0%. Select eyedropper tool and pick color. Select Brush tool and follow the process. Press Ctrl+T. Right-click and click on Warp. Now follow the process.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Right-click and click on Distort. Now add layer mask, and follow the process. Create new layer. Right-click and create clipping mask. Select brush tool and follow the process. Now place the title or headline here. I'm using guide for good alignment. Place logo in the bottom. Now place some text and price here. Create a rectangle. Now edit the price. Follow the same process and create posters like this. I hope you like this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tutorial.